How to download Android apps on your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Sky Studio, and today's guide video will show you the easiest way of how you can download any Android apps directly to your Windows 11 or 10 computer. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. But so now to download and install any Android apps on your computer, the very first thing that you need to do, you actually have to install the Google Play Store. Now to do that, simply go ahead and open up your search bar from your computer and simply go and search for Edge. And once you have searched for Edge, you'll get to see the Microsoft Edge browser. You just need to click on this one and you just need to open this up. And from here, you just need to search for Google Play Store. So once you have searched for it, he'll get to the Google Play Store. I'm going to search for it and then go ahead and click on this first link at the google.com from here. Now once you're here inside the Google Play Store, you just need to click on this three-dot line at the top right here and then come to the app section and then click on install this site as an app. I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to edit the name. I'm going to type in Google Play Store and then simply go and click on install. Once the installation is done, you just need to check mark create a desktop shortcut, allow. Now we are pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and he'll get to see the Google Play Store has been installed. So you just need to open this up and he'll get to see all the Android apps in the Google Play Store. If I open up the phone section right over here, you'll get to see all the available apps that is available on the Android Play Store. But before that, you just need to log into your account. So you just need to click on this account section right over here and then click on sign in with Google account and make sure to log in with the same Google account that is already logged in on the Play Store on your Android phone. And once you have logged in with the same Google account, now if I come to the app section, he'll get to see all the Android apps are available right here. So you can go ahead and install any Android apps to your computer right now. Let's say I'm going to click on Telegram, for example. And if I click on install, and it will start installing. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.